as uh, this one physical thing and this one mental thing. What we will do is we will consciously sit down at a time and tap on that feeling of unworthy. Very obvious. And why you will tap on that feeling of unworthy? You will consciously recall something from the past when you have experienced this feeling. सो ज़्यादा आती हैं तो आने दे, लेकिन डोंट गो फ्लोइंग अवे विथ इट. एक इंसिडेंट भी याद करके काफ़ी है. सो दैट फीलिंग बिकम्स अलाइव फ्रॉम द पास्ट. यू टैप ऑन दैट, bring it to zero. Okay, you understand how we tap for repeatedly to bring it to zero. And in that, in between, while tapping on once or tapping on twice, your head will become heavy because that is your usual way of reacting to it, or you will feel like crying. Yes, that's the other thing. तो दोनों ही जो भी कुछ होता है फिजिकल रिएक्शन, क्राइंग का होता है तो क्राइंग का, और हेडेक का होता है तो हेडेक का, हैवीनेस का होता है तो हैवीनेस का, उसको उस रिमेनिंग के साथ में ऐड कर लेना. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके, एंड दिस कैन बी डन and bring first, what is important is to bring that feeling of unworthiness to zero. तब तक उसको रिपीट करना है. 2 बार करना पड़े, 3 बार करना पड़े, करो, और कॉन्शियसली याद करके उसको करना है. दिन में you are saying that you have good 3 hours with you which you can devote to yourself. So at least about half an hour sit and actually recall something that has made you feel unworthy in the past, and do this process. Because as I told you earlier also, obesity is a very complex thing. You yourself are saying there are a lot of those complex thoughts that are there, and they are all stored here. So if you have identified one clearly with the thoughts, with the feelings, and you have memory of it, so consciously recall that memory. We don't want to tap on the details of the memory. We are recalling that memory to get to that feeling, and what we have to do is to remove this charge from that memory of unworthiness. You will find that वो जो भी कुछ stored है ना, उसका दम निकल गया है. Because it is this emotion that is giving it the power to be stored there. It's binding it and holding it. तो उसकी हवा यदि निकाल देंगे तो वो कचरा खत्म हो जाएगा.
पर वो तो कितनी बार निकाल दिया है, कितनी बार निकाला है,
अच्छा, 1 मिनट. कितनी बार निकाला है तुमने? यदि निकाला है तो उसको पूरा सा नहीं निकाला, और उस समय हो सकता है कि जितना तुम्हारे हाथ में आया उतना तुमने निकाला. एंड देयर इज मोर. If a particular memory that you recall to bring out this unworthiness feeling and removing this unworthiness feeling, this memory, when it comes back to you, memory is not lost, that is going to remain. It does not bring that feeling of unworthiness anymore.
Okay.
If that memory is bringing back the feeling of unworthiness, यानी कि उसका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ.
वो अभी आपसे बात करते हुए 3 इश्यूज हैं ऐसे, पर उनका फीलिंग बैड नहीं हुआ.
हाँ, तो यानी कि वो रिजॉल्व हो गए हैं. So they are not stored anymore and causing you the obesity.
तो फिर से मैं एक बार
नहीं, you think of those things that are like when you recall them, you also feel bad. That unworthiness feeling comes. So those things have to be resolved. सारे रिजॉल्व नहीं हुए हैं, या हो सकता है उस समय जब तुमने काम किया है तब रिजॉल्व हो गए, तुमने आगे जाके और दूसरी इकट्ठा कर ली. यू आर नॉट प्रोटेक्टिंग योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम प्रिवेंटिंग.
तो when I put on weight after my separation, तो फिर वो memories उसके कनेक्शन में,
यानी
put on weight after my separation from my husband. I had a separation of 4.5 years after marriage. तो उसके बाद मेरा put on हुआ. तो उससे कनेक्शन होगा.
Obviously.
हाँ,
obviously, those memories are making you feel rejected, dejected, low, left alone. All those things happen, no?
अभी तक
Huh? The fact that you are holding it in the mind and recalling that event is bringing that feeling back. यानी कि story है. It's life.
I'm not recalling that quotes again.
It's not.
और कहीं ना
If you recall, does that feeling also come back? The negative feeling comes back with it. Then it is alive, and then it is stored. Then it is still there, and it will go with you in the next janam also if you don't remove it.
Okay. All right.
So every memory has to be cleared, which is causing this storage over here.
तो ये कल करेंगे ये.
हाँ, ये हम करेंगे, but I want you to do once on your own today, but at least not for 3-4 hours, and please drink 3 glasses of water at least extra.
तो आप रिकॉर्डिंग भेजोगे उसके साथ करूँ ना?
उसके साथ में नहीं. This has to be. अच्छा हाँ, सॉरी, आज नहीं कर सकती. आज तो भले रिकॉर्डिंग से जो यदि ज़रूरत पड़े तो करना, लेकिन आई वॉन्ट यू to listen to the recording of you having to answer my questions regarding the cleaning. I have a very important purpose in that. When you listen to that recording, I have recorded my conversation that I have had with you. Oh yeah, today I'm not using the earphone, so it's likely that even your voices got recorded. So I'll send that to you. I will not put it on the YouTube then. So that if it again brings up that resistance, then the resistance का tapping भी करने की ज़रूरत है. Whether tapping you do today or not, I am not telling you because the weather and everything is too hot. अभी भी heat wave पूरा गया नहीं है. So don't cause that difficulty for you, but listen to the questions that I asked you and the answers you gave, so that you recall this moment and see if there is still resistance coming up in your mind. या उस समय क्या क्या थॉट जा रहे थे तेरे माइंड में, वो आएंगे तेरे मन में. Yes, those thoughts are the ones that have to be cleared. I'll tell you why I did that to you today. Really speaking, I didn't expect this to happen from you. What I was expecting to do was that if you had to tell me this process simply by yourself without my prodding, I would have said, now use this for clearing this process, this mental clutter. But you are not willing to look at the process in the physical. What will you do the process in the mind? I can't make you do that.
मुझे उसका इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं लगा इतना.
But if I am asking you again and again, tell me stepwise, and I don't know if you realize, मैं जब तेरे को पूछ रही हूँ, okay, what are the categories you did of the things that you don't want to do, तू मेरे को जो करना है उसकी बता रही है. You're shifting, यानी तेरा क्वेश्चन का जवाब नहीं देना है मुझे. I will do what I want to do. And when I'm asking you to categorize things that you're going to keep, you're shifting to tell me what you did for the other. But you're not answering my question. See the kind of resistance you have in seeing things in the face.
ये क्या है तेरे?
Not wanting to be in the present. You are trying to escape something. Something that you're wanting to run away from. No wonder you have low self-esteem.
I'm not aware of what I'm running from.
Yeah, but now you become aware that there is something that you are trying to run away from. Just make note. You can work to become aware of it. Ask yourself, what am I trying to run away from? Ask the universe, please show me the way. What am I running away from? Why am I in a rush? Where do I have to rush? What else will I do if I'm rushing here? one question that you should always ask the universe. Universe, could you please show me the greater possibilities? First thing in the morning.
The greater possibilities. I'm always in a rush. Always, every time.
So each time the moment you become aware that you are in a rush, ask, what am I rushing for? Can I pause? The moment you become aware that you're in a rush, just ask yourself, Sangeeta, please pause, please breathe. I love you, Sangeeta. Talk to yourself. Sangeeta, first breathe. Please pause. Please breathe. Tell her lovingly. Don't be harsh on her. You don't have to feel bad about having to do it. You just have to accept that this is. You have such a beautiful technique at your hand which can help you to come out of any such thing. And instantly, along with the cause, you can remove it. So why worry? If we see a darker side of us and we cannot clean it, then one feels bad. But having to see the darker side, this technique can help you to get out of it. That can totally help you to get out of it. So if when I meet you and I see you ready with it, then tat करके फटाक से निकल जाएगा. But you have to be able to accept it. You are saying that you were feeling like crying, but you didn't let yourself cry. Means निकालने को तैयार नहीं हो. With crying, you would have removed whatever that resistance was.
And now.
निकाल दो, cry it out. I can see that. वो इसलिए याद आया मेरे को कि रो लेती ना तो वो निकल भी जाता, उसी समय निकल जाता. बिकॉज ये फिजिकल है, बॉडी के अंदर है, तो बॉडी में से निकलना भी तो पड़ेगा ना. There are people who will release it in so many different ways. Initially you will releasing by ubasi leke. Today it is happening by crying. You generally release by having a headache, heavy head. So you see, all these are ways of releasing. All these are ways of releasing. Just particularly when you're doing this process, don't stop yourself from any kind of release. There are people who release by actually running to the loo. Loose motions hote hain. They urinate too much, perspire a lot. And one person, तो I can tell you, by God, in fact, two such occasions, and कभी-कभी मेरे को भी थोड़ी सी घबराहट होती है, लेकिन ऊपर वाले की दया है कि I am able to maintain my peace and direct that person. एक लड़की तो इतना बुरी तरह से उसके बॉडी के अंदर करंट जैसा आ रहा था, and she was going through, writhing with pain, but she bore it. She was so determined to get out of it. यानी कि हाथ पैर सब जगह से जैसे सब कोई कुछ मरोड़ के ऐसे उसको निकाल रहा है. मैंने कहा just let it pass, don't resist it, just let it happen. Nothing is going to go wrong with you, only good will happen. बस मैं खाली ये बोलती रही, but she was only able to describe to me what she is feeling in her body, and it was a moment of few minutes. 10 साल से उसने जो भर रखा था, it just got out in less than 10 minutes. And it happened again, and it happened again. The third time its power was so little that she didn't even think there's necessary to tell. She just told me to pause, and she managed it herself. दस साल से she was in that state. Resistance, 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 and resistance. And all self-created. Because no resistance comes from anywhere else except they are self-created. And self-created, it happens because of our ignorance at the time when the thing was happening. हर समय तो हमारी बुद्धि प्रखर नहीं होती है ना. So therefore, it helps to revisit from a more better knowledge and understanding. So when you have gained that knowledge and understanding, revisit it, and now with the newer knowledge and understanding, remove it. And only as a human being we have this choice to do it. Being born as human being, we have been equipped with this. This human body is the only thing that is equipped with cleaning up and removing and to form better ones. हम दोनों कर सकते हैं. In no other form of life can this be done. No animals, no plants, no devas, and no rakshasas and no yakshas can do it. Only we humans can do it.
This has always been in my mind to get rid of from my current sharir everything.
हाँ, तो ये यदि लेकिन तुमने किया नहीं है, इट्स बीन ऑन योर माइंड, तो अब यानी उसको रेजिस्ट मत करना बस. हाँ,
I need help.
हाँ,
I need help.
yes, I'm there to support you. I'm there to support you. So don't worry about this. निकाल दे उसको, और निकाल सकती है तू. तेरे पास में सारा बैकग्राउंड नॉलेज और अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, लेकिन वो बैकग्राउंड नॉलेज और अंडरस्टैंडिंग वैसा ही है जैसा तेरे कबर्ड के अंदर यूजफुल और नॉट सो यूजफुल जो मिक्स था. तो वो नॉट सो यूजफुल ने यूजफुल वाला भी बेकार कर रखा है. तो जब तक उसको सेग्रीगेट नहीं करेंगे कैसे होगा?
कैसे?
है ना? तो अभी सेग्रीगेट करने के लिए तेरे पास टाइम भी है, मौका भी है. ऊपर वाले ने तेरे को मेरे से भी मिला दिया है, मेरे पास भी टाइम है. तो हम मिलके इसको कर सकते हैं ना, है ना? अभी तेरे पास मेड थी इसलिए तू उसको फटाफट ठीक से जचा पाई. नहीं तो हो सकता है कि तू पहले उसको अलग अलग करती, तब तक भूल जाती कि अच्छा इसको मुझे क्या करना था, इसको मुझे क्या करना था. जाने दे, फिर कंटाला आता और ऐसे ही रख देती. हो सकता है ना?
को मैंने 2 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा रखा है, दोपहर को 2 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा रखा है, बोला 5000 तू भी देखो मेरे साथ ही करा.
हाँ, तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से कि अभी हेल्प है तो कर पाती है ना. तो नहीं तो तेरी जल्दी के अंदर तू बोलती यार अभी कंटाला आ रहा है, छोड़, वापस रख दे, फिर कल करेंगे, और फिर वो वापस वैसा का वैसे ही हो जाता है ना. तूने एक स्टेप लिया तो ऊपर वाले ने और तेरे को एक्स्ट्रा दिया. अपनी तरफ से पहला कदम तो हमको उठाना पड़ता है, जो तूने उठा लिया. अब उसके ऊपर कायम रहना, नहीं तो तू एक दिन बोलेगी कि नहीं यार बहुत हो गया, अभी तू जा, नहीं करना है मेरे को. ठीक है, मैं तेरे को पैसे दे दूंगी, तेरे को बोला था. नहीं, मैं तेरे को मेड के लिए भी बता रही हूँ, क्योंकि जो तू वहां करेगी वही तू यहीं भी करेगी. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि तुझे नहीं मालूम है, ये सब तुझे सब पता है. तुझे सब पता है. आई नो आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू एनीथिंग न्यू, बट आई नीड टू ब्रिंग इट आउट फ्रॉम वेयर यू हैव डंप्ड इट. तो मेरी बात सुन के तुझे तेरा पुराना कुछ एसोसिएशन निकल के बाहर आएगा, तो तू उसको इस्तेमाल करने के लिए मेरे को तुझे तेरे हाथ में देना है कि ले अब इसको पकड़, अब मुझे यूज करके दिखा और मेरे को सिखा, मैं बोलूंगी फिर. ठीक है? तो ये जो कारण शरीर को क्लीन करने का जब भी सोचा था, उस टाइम को लाइव रख और सारे कारणों को निकाल देना है. जब तक संगीता इस फ्लैट स्टमक नहीं हो जाए तब तक पीछे पड़े रहना. चल. अरे लिंक नहीं भेजा मैंने, अभी भेज देती. लिंक यानी यू मीन द बैंक डिटेल्स?
आपको जहाँ पे भी
हाँ, बैंक डिटेल्स आई विल सेंड यू. हाँ, ठीक है. ओके, चल, हैव अ ग्रेट डे. हाँ, बोल ना. श्योर.
मेरे भाई की लड़की है अभी 10th में.
हाँ,
तो उसको एंजाइटी हो जाती है, उसको द बेस्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी